Hello YouTube, my name is Alston and I make YouTube videos for people that are just getting started with affiliate marketing, passive income, and making money online. In this video, we're actually going to do a step-by-step walkthrough of Clickfunnels. So basically what you're going to do, you're going to look over my shoulder as I sign up for Clickfunnels, and then I'm actually going to make the first landing page. Before we get started, make sure you like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification if this video or any other video on this channel has helped you in any way. So basically, before we get started, Clickfunnels is a marketing tool to help you grow and scale your business. You can use Clickfunnels in a variety of ways, including landing pages, autoresponders. You can actually use it to make a membership site. There's just a number of things that you can do with Clickfunnels without having to purchase 5 or 6 or 7 different pieces of software. So let's get started. First thing I am going to do is I'm going to click down, start your free 14-day trial. I'm going to provide a link in the description to take you directly to the free 14-day trial. It is an affiliate link so that if you decide to stay past the 14 days, I can and do receive a small bit of commission. So, all right, so the first thing obviously that you do is you click the free button. It'll take us to the sign up. So you just enter in obviously your first name, last name, and a good email address. Give yourself a good strong password. Just basically answer the questions like you normally would with any form. Enter your credit card information. Have the guard dog bark a little bit. So we're not going to spend anything else right now. We are just going to start the free 14-day trial, and then make sure it's $297 a month after that. At the time of this recording, obviously that could change a little bit. All right, we are in. Obviously, the next step is to attempt to upscale or upsell you. We're not going to do that. We want to go directly to creating our first landing page and funnel. So let's do that. We'll go no thanks. All right, so let's create our first funnel. I am here at the dashboard, and so we're going to create a landing page and we're going to create a funnel. To create a funnel, let's do this. We'll go to Actionetics, email lists, and then click add new email list. The email list is where your email subscribers are going to go. So I'm going to say demo 1, and then we're going to give them a tag. We're going to say demo, add that, and then we're going to leave the smart list off and then create a new list. So we've already created an email list, and now we need to create a few different things. We can either create an action funnel, which will send them automated emails, or we can create a landing page. Since we are already here, let's do an action funnel real quick. So we're just going to click on action funnels, and we are going to click on, let's create a new action funnel. We're going to give it a name, demo 1, group tag. We'll say Demo 1 instead of Demo 1, list, Demo 1. This is all the same, and then the SMTP configuration you created. So we create an action funnel, and now we need to do things within that funnel. So what we're going to do is we're going to create a first step. Now the action funnel actually starts after you create the landing page. So from here, let's say for example, I create a email list or a funnel based on this YouTube video and this YouTube course. First thing I would do is I would put a link in my YouTube video and say click here to get added to my email list, or click here to get a free download or whatever. Then when you click that link, you get sent to a landing page. The landing page will collect your email address and then give you whatever I said I was going to give you. So in this case, it would be like a lead magnet. And then after that, so on day 1, or we could even do day 0. So let's do day 0. Let's say lead, let's call it free guide. So this is the guide that's going to get sent out, as I promise you, because you entered in your email address. So free guide, add to funnel. And then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to use this template. I'm going to open the email editor. I can make all these changes that I want if I want. I'm just going to click on this button and I'm going to say click here to get the guide. And then I would, there's a section in ClickFunnels where you can add different PDFs and things of that nature, different images. So I'm going to click Done Editing Settings. I'm going to save this real quick, close it. Then I'm going to click on Digital Assets. So what I would do is I click on Digital Assets. I would get the URL or the link to the digital asset, and then come back here and enter the digital asset where that button is. Oops. So we'll click there, and then we'll say, I'll just do that for now. Done editing, but that link will actually be your digital asset. So I would click save, and then if I click preview, click here to get the guide, it would send me to the digital asset normally. So we've done that. We're just going to click close. And then what you'd want to do is you'd want to make sure that you go up to the settings and hook in settings. You want to hook in your email. So it's going to come from me. Whoops. Why isn't this working? There we go. Give it a subject. Thanks for subscribing. And then the SMTP that you've hooked in. Then you click update. Other things you have to do is you have to change it from paused to live. Update. And then this will get sent out immediately or within 10 or 15 minutes of the person subscribing. So that is really all you have to do. And then to add more steps, you just click add new step. And then you can give this 1 day. You basically repeat the process over and over again as often or as little as that you want. And basically what you're doing in this funnel is you are generating value and getting them to make a buying decision or take action. So maybe you want the action to be, maybe you want to not want them, maybe you don't want them to buy right away. Maybe you want to qualify them even more. So you could actually create another step in which if they click a button, they go to a separate funnel. And that separate funnel could decide whether that they're ready to buy or not. So you can get as detailed or as surface as you want, but it's really up to you. And the nice thing about ClickFunnels is it's really designed to be really easy. I mean, if we click on the editor, it's really simple to just make edits. Right here would be my logo. I can just select the logo just like that. Click done. I can again edit. If I wanted to add a new line, I can just go down to add new row. How many rows? 1, 2, 3, 4. Click that. Add element, and then this is the different type of element. So you can add all sorts of things that you want to your funnel. So that's the funnel aspect. So I'm just going to close that. What we need to do is we need to set up a landing page. So let's go over to build funnel. All right, so we're going to click on funnels, add new, create new funnel. We're going to use a classic funnel builder. We want to collect their email. So I'm just going to give it a name, demo 1, and then select group. We're going to call it demo 1. And now that we've done that, it should take us to the landing page creation. So with ClickFunnels, you have a ton of different options with the landing page. I'm just going to click this first one, select template. So what will happen is when you click the link in the description, it'll take you to the landing page that looks something like this. It'll have a little bit of a message, to motivate you to take action, which will be getting the early access in this point. When you click that, what I would put on here is I would put like a spot for your email address, and then click here to continue. When you do that, when you click here to continue, it will automatically take you to this thank you form. And the nice thing about this thank you form is that there are a number of different options. You can do a video, and then you can actually embed the video from YouTube. So the video can automatically play if you wanted to. There's just so many different options for ClickFunnels that it makes it really, really easy. So we're just going to go edit page. And then if I click here, this is where you would enter in your YouTube URL. So you could actually create a YouTube video, a private YouTube video, or public, I guess, and then embed it here. And you can decide if it auto plays, or you can configure it to your needs or your wants. And so then you can go from there. And then you've collected the email address. If you wanted to, you could actually probably embed your digital asset here. But it's nice to kind of follow up with that separate email. But yeah, that's really it. It's real simple to set up a landing page, an opt-in form, and then get someone added to your funnel. Make sure that you click the link in the description, because it will take you to, there'll be a couple links. There'll be one link to collect your email address, and then there will be a second link for the 2-week free trial. Make sure you at least sign up for the 2-week free trial so that you can follow along on these tutorials. I plan on doing a different tutorial weekly, and so you'll need the 2-week trial at the very least to kind of play with it and follow along. So make sure that you at least check it out. Click on the 2-week trial. It is an affiliate link, so if you do click on it and you continue on with ClickFunnels, I do receive a small commission. But that's really it. So thanks for watching, and we will see you soon.